Hey guys, what's happening? How to change phone number on Kraken app, and is it possible? So let's go ahead and click our profile icon at the top left, right? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and click your name at the top. You're gonna see name, username, crack tag, email, and public account ID, and all that stuff. But as you can see right here, you won't see phone number, right? Because you verified your email and your ID. So as for my experience, when I tried to log in, or tried to sign up with Kraken, they didn't ask for my phone number, right, to verify. They asked for my email and my personal information, my ID or my passport, in order to verify your account, or to verify my account. So they won't ask you necessarily for your phone number. They will ask you for your email, and if you have something to prove, like a bill or something to prove that you own that account, then you're solid, right? You're gonna be able to trade, buy, sell, and exercise your right more freely. So basically, you won't be able to do it currently, right? You can't, because once you log in, once you verify your information and everything, you won't be able to change it. That's the Kraken app policy. So we will let you know in the future, of course, if there is anything new coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.